Dear students, with our RYKBIO YouTube channel, I am your tutor Kamar Makbul. Today our topic is endocytosis and exocytosis. So we'll learn endocytosis first. What is endocytosis? Endocytosis is the taking in of bulky material inside the cell. So during endocytosis, bulky materials are taken in by enfolding of the cell membrane. See here, the cell membrane is invaginated in the area where the bulky material is to be taken in. Cell membrane is invaginated or enfolds where the bulky material is being taken in the cell. So the bulky material is taken in the cell in the form of vacuole, and some part of the cell membrane covers around the bulky material, and a vacuole or food vacuole is formed. That is also called a vesicle. So endocytosis is of two types. There are two forms of endocytosis. One is phagocytosis and the second is pinocytosis. Phagocytosis is the taking in of solid bulky materials. Yes, during phagocytosis, bulky materials are solids, and during pinocytosis, bulky materials which are being taken inside the cell are liquids, and these liquids are in the droplet forms. So during phagocytosis, solid bulky materials are taken in, whereas during pinocytosis, liquid bulky materials are taken inside the cell, and this process is called endocytosis. Exocytosis is the opposite process of endocytosis. And during exocytosis, bulky materials are exported. Exported means the bulky materials are sent out of the cell. See here, some bulky materials are shown in blue colored, and these bulky materials there is formed some membrane around this bulky material that is being expelled out of the cell. So some part of the membrane covers around this bulky material. So a vacuole is formed. This vacuole comes near the cell membrane, and the bulky materials are sent out of the cell. So during exocytosis, the part of the cell membrane that was lost during endocytosis, the part of the cell membrane that was lost during endocytosis by forming food vacuole, so that part of the cell membrane is replaced during exocytosis. Exocytosis regains that part of the cell membrane. So I hope today's video you would have liked it. So if you like this video, please like it, share it and comment it, and if you have subscribed our channel, share it with other friends, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, our RYKBIO channel. So take care, God bless you, bye bye.